Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the vent path and marking the center line on the wall. This prevents misaligned holes later. Measure twice and pick a spot that maintains the shortest, straight run to the exterior. Shorter runs reduce lint buildup and improve efficiency. Once marked, drill a pilot hole through the interior and exterior, then cut the opening to match the wall cap size. Make sure to wear eye and mask protection. This keeps debris out of the dryer and protects your lungs. You now install the wall cap from outside, fastening it securely and sealing around it to prevent drafts and moisture ingress. Inside, slide the rigid or semi-rigid duct onto the wall collar with a 1/4 inch overlap and secure every joint with foil tape and a clamp. This reduces leaks and lint traps. Once done, route the duct in a straight, sloped path to the dryer, supporting it with straps to prevent sagging, because sagging creates pockets where lint accumulates and reduces performance. You finish by attaching the dryer transition to the appliance, tightening the clamp so the connection is snug but not crushed. This prevents damage and maintains airflow. Once connected, push the dryer back, ensuring there's about a 1/2 inch gap behind for the vent and to avoid kinks. Restore power or gas, then run the dryer on air only for about 5 minutes while you inspect the exterior for steady exhaust and feel for warm air. If you see leaks or low airflow, tighten joint.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.